Nearly got a heart attack. We thought we went to the wrong station. Today we're going to Suzuka Circuit. Missed our train, so gonna have lunch here before heading out and yeah, catch the next train. This place is actually quite fancy. They even have a smoking room here that looks really fancy. 師叔，你瞓得好嗎？咪啱耳麼？你搏針呢？ Usually when you come to restaurants like this, you take your shoes off before you go out to the tatami area and you put your shoes like this, facing outwards. Mask case, so we can put our mask in here. Fancy? Let me use it then. Oshibori. Warm cloth welcoming the guests.
Why is this wet?
And then they close the door and they leave you to enjoy your lunch. Oh gosh. For you, mate.
So she will come later.
Wow. Wow.
With the salt.
Wow. これみんなシェイする。ありがとうございます。
What else is
Wow, heavy. How is it?
delicious?
Cocky's pork.
One.
Grilled pork. Pork and miso. Best match. Hi, arigatou gozaimasu. You're wondering what the raw egg is for? You don't put the raw egg in there to cook. You mix it up. Cook your beef. Okay. Now it's cooked. Dip it in. One of the best beef in the world. Wagyu Matsuzaka beef sukiyaki. Beyond describable deliciousness. Out of the park. Fattiness of the beef that melts in your mouth with a bit of soy sauce, a bit of sweetness, umami from the sauce. Cook hot, dip it in here, coat it with a little egg, creaminess, and then you put it in your mouth. That's the best combination ever. 何?
本当に12時20分にそのゴーカート予約しちゃってるから、それに間に合わないとやばいの。11時44分の電車だよ。もう11時36分だよ。今でないと間に合わない。どうしたらいいかわからない。
もうタクシーで行こう。
タクシーに行っても30分かかる。それでも間に合わないの。間のってる。
Let's think about it over lunch. Okay, see you later. We missed the train again, so we're now on a taxi. Let's go, it's quite upset. Taxi driver is trying his best to get us to Suzuka as quick as possible. We're here in record time, 30 minutes. We'll have to rush. We made it. It's a miracle. So tired.
カードを最後に抜き取っていただいて動かしますから、手で動かしてください。いってらっしゃい。しゅんちゃん、ハッパーン。
じゃあハンドリングテストをやってもらおう。連続6回、左右にハンドルを切ってみてくれ。
6回。1、3、4、5、6。
6回で行ってくれ。
Go! is 51.6. Well done.
Good.
Whoa, whoa, slow down, mate. Slow down, mate. What's the traffic, mate?
4名のキッズライダーたちがかっこよくゴースインすることが遅くなってしまうよ。それはこれは2分3周秒間の間。
Hey, Maksha, hello! Whoa, 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 whoa! You're drifting, you're drifting. What do you have there?
Baby.
BB stands for?
Best and brilliant.
Best and Brilliant Kitchen. Say hi to Auntie Martha.
Hi.
Auntie Martha.
Miss Quentin.
We miss your delicious kway teow and bihun and our limau, teh limau.
The only mouth.
Teh limau, yeah. Richard. Bye. Welcome to Acro Ants.
Looks cool, right?
It's really cool.
It's on the ferry.
途中で止まらないように駆け上がるんだ。
It's a forward driving. To Adventure Village. See what's inside.
It's fun. Woo. So fun.
帰ってくることに来ました。おめでとうございます。
Nice driving. Alright, that marks the end of Suzuka Circuit Park. We're heading back to Nagoya, get some dinner, and then we're gonna head to Kyoto. ありがとうございました。楽しかったです。
はい、ありがとうございます。
Suzuka Inno Station. We got saved by a taxi driver again. We thought we were gonna miss the train again. Getting to Suzuka Circuit is a big problem for international tourists. There's only one train every hour. Taxi costs at least 6,000 yen, which is about $50 US. If you really want to come, you need to plan ahead and stick to your plan. Yay!
整理券をお取りください。これを取る。ピッ。しゅんちゃんも取る。あ。
And the faster and slow. Just get the faster.
So we're going from Inno to Suzuka. 260, 130.
本日支払っていただきましたという証明ですのでね。
ありがとうございます。Doki doki trip. Ah, nearly got a heart attack. We thought we went to the wrong station because look, there's nothing here. Where's the express? It doesn't look like they're gonna stop here. So, whew, this is also part of traveling. This is tabi. Let's go sit down and relax.
Adventure!
Yes. First in the morning was getting to Suzuka. We missed the first train. We missed the second train. We called a taxi. We thought we were gonna miss the go-kart, at 12:30 and we got there just in time. And then on the way back, we thought we were going to miss the train back because when we called the taxi, they said 15 minutes to get to Suzuka Circuit. And we thought that's it. And then miraculously, the taxi driver turned up. And then we were like, yes! And then we went on and then we went to the station. It was like, okay, finally we can relax now. And then we got to this station, Suzuka, and we were like, oh, is this the right station? Maybe it's the JR station. How do we get there? And then the driver says, no JR station. Oh my gosh, no JR station. What do we do? I said, Kaisukumi. Okay, you can get on Kaisukumi from here. And then we were like, So that was the up and down, the up and down, the up and down.
That's the craziest thing I've ever thought of.
It's been really stressful today. If you want to come to Suzuka,
Maybe not.
I think it's not worth it. Unless you really love your F1 and there's an F1 happening, or you can drive there by yourself. Kaisukumi.
Mama, I remember this. It's so cold.
Back at Nagoya station. This is what we're having for dinner tonight. Yakitori. Well done, boys. We ran hard. We tried everything we could under the sun to get to Suzuka. And now we're heading to Kyoto.
First dishes here.
Deep fried steak. This is the famous Nagoya chicken wings. Nice. Arigatou gozaimasu. And some rice.
What's this?
This is chicken cooked in miso. This is the assorted chicken skewer, and that's the negima. Chicken with leeks. Classic. It's Nagoya famous chicken. Nagoya Cochin chicken. The Louis Vuitton of chicken, or Chanel, or whatever brand you're into. Chicken thighs grilled with salt. Just the flavor of chicken and salt. You don't need anything else. Very nice. We couldn't really enjoy ourselves slowly because we need to rush for the Shinkansen. We don't want to miss another train today. We miss 2 trains. Bye! Kyoto! Look at this. Smoke coming up from the top. Hot, warm, fresh yakitori.
おお、これしかも古い昔からの。見て、ドア。
Wow.
Nice kitchen here. Okay, that's day 3 completed. If you've enjoyed the video, smash the like button. Thank you for watching, and we shall see you tomorrow.
Bye.